Oh my goodness, what an experiment that was. Today, we are experimenting a bit. We will be cooking 2 duck breasts in 2 completely different ways. One sous vide and one pan-seared with an oven finish. After this side-by-side test, we're gonna look at cooking method, texture, juiciness, crispiness and flavor. And at the end, I will tell you which one I would cook again without hesitation. Let's start with preparation. Both of the breasts will be prepared the same way. I already washed and pat the breast dry. Run with your fingers over the skin side of the duck breast. If you feel any remaining feather quills, pull them out with the tweezers. Next step is to score the skin, not too deep, just enough to help render the fat. The breast is placed in its own vacuum sealed bag. Next, the breast is going into the water bath for at least 2 hours. This will give us the perfect medium pink center while still allowing us to really crisp up the skin later. One bonus of the sous vide is actually that you can cook the duck breast ahead. Super convenient. After the cook, we're gonna take them out, and this part is crucial. Pat them completely dry. Moisture is the enemy of crispy skin. To sear, preheat the pan with no added fat. Duck has plenty. Fry skin side down until the first fat renders. Then flip, sear the meat side and back on the skin for about 4 minutes until golden brown. Check for doneness and let it rest for 5 minutes. And that's the sous vide version done. And now let's make the traditional pan-seared duck breast. We're gonna start by preheating the oven to 100 degrees Celsius. This method starts in a cold pan, skin side down. I cook the duck breast for 5 minutes over medium heat, flip and cook another 5 minutes. Then the duck goes into the oven to gently rest. For smaller breasts, 10 minutes is usually enough. For larger breasts, aim for 12 to 15 minutes. Before taking the duck breast out of the oven, make sure that it reached the desired internal temperature. I'm gonna blend those now on the screen. And while we wait to cut them, hit that like button if you're enjoying this comparison so far. Alright, now the moment of truth, let's cut into both. And although after cutting, both look similar, if looking closer, sous vide breast was cooked more evenly. And now I'm gonna also taste both. So this is the pan-seared one. This one has amazing aromas. It's still very soft, but I can definitely taste that it's a bit firmer at the edges. Now the sous vide one. So this one is definitely softer. The pan-fried aromas are a bit more subtle and therefore the duck flavor is a bit richer. So which duck breast wins for me? Definitely the sous vide one. It's more tender, it's more juicy and also it's cooked more evenly. From the texture, it's just another level. However, if you like a deep roasting flavor, go for the pan-seared one. You don't need a vacuum and sous vide stick. The cooking method is very straightforward. And if you wonder how to make a duck breast German style, please watch this older video of ours, duck breast with a cherry sauce.